wish I had some scissors, but this is all I have at the moment. So, it'll have to do.
I wish he had scissors as well.
Yeah.
Wow, this is gonna be sketchy, I'm not gonna lie.
No, it's gonna be sweet.
I'm a little bit scared right now, but you know,
No, it's alright. It's just a side part.
it's just my hair, you know. It's
Yeah,
not a big
minor.
deal.
One day you're gonna look back at this and be like, damn, I had sweet hair.
No, one day I'm gonna look back at this and be like, what the fuck was I thinking?
No. You'll be like, damn.
What the fuck? That's like the worst. Where's fucking Brittany's phone number?
No, seriously, that looks so good.
No, seriously, that looks so bad.
No, hey, that is awesome, dude. Look at this. Look at the volume you got now.
What the fuck was I thinking? Seriously. Where's your girlfriend's phone number right now?
You want me to fix